And if you keep on asking, I'll just keep saying so. This isn't what I wanted, it is.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Planner Monday. Today's video is going to be reviewing the Tul home insert, so if this is something you're interested in, stay tuned. So in this packet, it includes several different kind of like home related inserts. This is the junior size, and I know it comes in the full A5 size as well, but I don't use that yet. So in here it includes budget worksheets, weekly to-dos, goal trackers, travel planning pages, fitness tracker, and home improvement planner. I'm excited about this because it's going to go in my Tul desk agenda. So this is limited edition. I'll find it and link it down below for you guys. I picked this up at Office Max, but I'm sure Office Depot has it as well. So let's dive in. Okay, so here is the first page. It is weekly to do, so you put like the week of, and then Monday through Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday. Let me zoom y'all in. So down below we have must do this week, calls and emails, notes, and task. And that is on both sides of the insert. We have a couple of those. Then we have goals. So we have personal, career, and home and family. I would like to fill this out just at the beginning of the month and just kind of have all of my goals right here just as a little reminder, and then stuff I want to get done around the house. So you only have 2 pages of those. So you might want to do yearly instead of a monthly kind of thing. Then we have budget monthly overview. So we have year, month, total income, total expenses, and net income. So you have like an estimated, actual, and difference. Then you have checking account that says beginning balance, ending balance, and then savings account, beginning balance, ending balance, and then a monthly budget goals and notes. And then on the back, we have your income, so like the source, the estimated, the actual, and the date. And then we have the actual expenses, which I really love this insert because it has like a little checkbox right here. So when you have paid it, you can just check it off. So we have mortgage and rent, insurance, electricity, water, gas, trash, car, insurance for health, TV, cable, satellite, internet, phone, and groceries. And that pretty knocks off all the ones we have, but you also have some blank ones down here. So if you do have something else, you can just put it at the bottom. So I really like these. This is probably one of my favorite budget inserts because of how detailed it goes. So you get quite a few of these. The next insert we have here is the home improvement project. So I really like these inserts because you can just take them out of your planner and take them to Lowe's, Home Depot, or wherever you get your home improvement stuff. And you can put the description, estimated cost, actual cost, equipment, and supplies. So sometimes I go to Home Depot and Lowe's and I forget things I need to buy. So this insert is going to be perfect for that, especially with us buying a house. I think this would be perfect for things we might need to do around the house. So you get quite a few of these. Oh, and then on the back, you have home improvement project. So you have the plan and a sketch. So if you need to sketch out the room, just like the layout, you can do that. I'm not very good at sketching, so I don't know how I'll use that part. Maybe my husband will do the sketching. So the next insert we have here is the travel quick reference. I love this. Like, this whole insert is perfect because you have a weather forecast, number of people traveling, trip dates, trip destination. You have each day right here, so you can either put like what you're doing or even like clothes you need. At the bottom it has a lodging and car rental, so you can put all that information in. We typically don't rent a car, so I don't know what I'll use for that, but lodging we will definitely use. And then on the back we have flight type, flight type, flight type, flight type. So I personally probably won't use this for like a family one because we typically drive. But this one is good if y'all are all, you know, flying together and you can just mark off different confirmation and all that good stuff. So you get quite a few of these. The next insert we have here is places to visit, and I love this. I will probably be using this month actually. Since we get done with this video, I probably will fill it out. Since Cody and I are moving from North Carolina, I have thought of a lot of different places I would like to go before we leave here. So I'm actually really excited about this because it has city, date, restaurants, events, shopping, and other. So sometimes when you are visiting somewhere, me especially, like I get there and I forget everything I've been wanting to do, and I always forget to do something there. So excited to fill these out. So you get quite a few of those, and I think this may be the last insert in here, and you get quite a lot. It is the monthly fitness check-in. So you have your measurements up here. So you have week 1 through 4. Oops, let me roll that down. You have week 1 through 4, and then total you have weight, bust, chest, arms, waist, hips, thighs. So you just fill all your measurements out. You have your monthly goals, your fitness plan, your highs, lows, and rewards. And on the back, you have your monthly fitness calendar. So I really like this because you can put what you're doing that day. So warm up, strength, cardio, cool down. I typically don't do, I lie, I do. I do all 4 of those almost every day except Wednesday. I just do cardio. So on here, you can just check off what you've done, and then they give you little spaces right here in the corners to put what day it is, the month, the year, and then down here, some notes. I use the app Strong, like mostly, so I don't know how I'll use this exactly if I just want to keep track of it in my planner, but typically I do not take my planner to the gym, so I don't know how I'll use these inserts. So that is a review of the Tul Home Insert Junior Size. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more flip throughs of the different Tul inserts, comment down below which ones you want me to review, and I'll definitely do that for you guys. And I will link this down below, so if you want it, you can get your hands on it. I hope y'all all have a wonderful Monday, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.